Beer Champ Barbecuers, today we're doing a poor man's burn ends. Oh hell yeah, on the Weber 26. Check this out.
Give me a hell yeah!
So this chuck roast is on the Weber Kettle, and it's rocking. I got it wrapped up right now. Poured a little beer on it. Oh hell yeah, beer makes everything better. Yeah, you know it. Once that sucker's probe tender, we're gonna pull it, cube it, barbecue sauce it, put it back in for about 15-20 minutes. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Poor man's burn ends? Oh hell yeah, check this out. Ooh, she hot. Wow. Man. Who said chuck roast can't be delicious? Boom.
Give me a hell yeah!
That